Hi, I'm Jesse with EnginePro. I'm here with Alan, who is our product manager for EnginePro products. Today we want to talk about timing components. Alan, give me a little idea. How long has EnginePro been in the timing business?
So EnginePro's been in the timing business for over 20 years. We offer top quality components designed and engineered right here in the U.S., but we also utilize the top quality manufacturers globally. And so we pride ourselves in the fact that we try to make as much of the product here in the States as we can, but we also recognize that, you know, in a global economy that there are some really high quality manufacturers globally that we've been able to tap into and use as well.
Obviously, today's timing business is not as simple as a three-piece timing set. So give me a little idea about the options that are available through the EnginePro program.
Yeah, I mean, EnginePro's timing has kind of followed suit with the rest of the car industry. You know, you start out with the conventional, we call them kind of the legacy, let's call it, you know, American V8s, your Chevy small blocks and Fords and Mopars, and the three-piece timing set that we're all familiar with. And you know, a lot of them came with cast gears and single chains, and so we would develop along the line with that to where, yeah, sure, we offer those, but EnginePro's really always been more of a high performance and racing brand, and so we followed suit with the high performance and racing industry, offering not just the single row chains but the double row chains, and those have developed along the years, where we have the multi-keyway crank gear, which gives adjustment, and then also the top gear with the adjustment bushings, where engine builders can really dial in the cam timing. You know, we've moved from the conventional chains that we used to see in the OEs back in the 60s to a lot more advanced, you know, roller chains, seamless, you know, and larger diameters too, you know, going all the way up to 250 diameter. So these are just some of the changes that we've had to make, even in the conventional legacy line. But then you start moving into today's vehicles, and like I've got an example right here of a modern Hemi, and you know, you just look at the difference in componentry with this one, and this one's not even the most components. You start getting into the Coyotes and some of these overhead cam engines, and you know, we could fill up half the table just with a full timing set. But this particular one here for a Hemi, we're kind of proud of this one. Like I mentioned, the double row chain, seamless, roll-on chain. We also have IWIS chains available. This one has got that 9-position crank keyway for adjustability, but we've also got on the camshaft gear itself, this is adjustable plus or minus up to 6 degrees on the cam sprocket. And so this is the kind of direction that we're going with a lot of the product line these days.
Well, again, we're more than just performance, right?
Yeah, we can do everything. You know, a lot of these kits, sometimes you want to just replace a chain, or maybe just a chain and a tensioner, or a chain, a tensioner, and a guide. We have those kits. But in a high mileage engine, you're probably going to want to replace the gears and replace the phasers and all of the componentry that comes in these kits these days. That's why we offer these different levels of kits.
Give me a little idea why EnginePro.
So our motto at EnginePro is by engine professionals for engine professionals. And I think the biggest thing that I can say about our distributors and the places that you can buy EnginePro are the people. We got some of these guys that have been on the phone helping engine builders and machine shops for over 40 years. And that's where we set ourselves apart. It's not like a conventional parts store where you got to walk in and say year, make, model, right? These guys have been in the trenches. They know how to operate the machines. They know how to build engines. These are guys that are true engine professionals, and they're the ones that are there for our customers for any support that they might need.
Well, again, given the complexity of some of this,
that's right.
Our folks can help them.
Yeah, I mean, EnginePro is a time-tested brand. You know, I feel we represent the best overall value in the timing space, top quality and reliability.
I mean, as far as profitability is concerned and support?
I'm glad you brought that up, because that's one of the things that we do behind the scenes. You know, as the product guys, I want to always bring products to the EnginePro brand that are going to make money two ways. Number one, we want to price them competitively so that at the initial purchase price, you're going to have an advantage there. A lot of times engine builders are pricing as a whole engine build, and I understand this is only one component, but we also want to make sure that the quality is there. Our goal is no comebacks. Our goal is a happy customer, and our goal is to provide the technical support whenever they need it. So these are all valuable services that EnginePro offers through our distributors and our members.
What a day, what a day, what a day. Yeah, my brain is swollen. I've learned so much today. They told us, don't start cars. We are not going to listen.